Want to make an awesome paper airplane that flies surprisingly far in less than 60 seconds? All you need is a standard 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper. Let's get started. First, fold the paper in half lengthwise and then unfold it to create a center crease. Next, fold the top edge down, leaving about an inch of space at the bottom. Unfold it, then fold down to the crease you just made and repeat once more. Now bring both top corners into the center line to form two neat triangles. Do the same on the other side. Once that's done, unfold those corners and fold the edges inward along the creases you just created. Carefully tuck the layers into the center pocket and flatten the model. Fold the entire airplane in half along the center crease. Finally, fold down the wings on both sides. Open up your airplane, make a few adjustments if needed, and you're ready for takeoff.